Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So if you are still using the controller services and repositories in every ASP.NET Core application, or you might be building your API the hardware, so let me show you the something interesting that you can apply in your application. Okay, imagine your project grows around from 5 APIs to 100 APIs, and now suddenly you are folders looks like controller services repository dtos validators, and each folder has the like dozens of the files. So now imagine you are asked to modify uh, to just one feature. So and like you can like the create product, okay, or or now you open the controller, then jump to the services, thereafter you jump to the repository, then a validator, then DTO. Okay, so like the logic is scattered across the entire project. Okay, like this is exactly the like vertical slice architecture solve this problem. Okay, so instead of organizing code by layers in clean architecture where we create the layers like application layer, core layer, infrastructure layer, backend layer. Okay, so vertical slice architecture organizes code by features. Okay, everything related to features create product lives in a one place. Okay, the request, your handler, your validation, your endpoint, you will see entire in the same folder. Okay, or no more jumping between the five folder just to understand one API. Okay, and the best part of the vertical architecture is that the modern .NET teams are coming combining vertical slice architecture with the CQRS, MediatR, minimal APIs to build cleaner, scalable, and backend system. Okay, so in this video, I am gonna to show you that how to build a complete vertical slice architecture project in a ASP.NET Core from the scratch. Okay, like it's not like we will create the project from the scratch. You or like we will we will cover the features based folder structure, and we will see the mediator and the CQRS pattern, fluent validation with the pipeline behaviors, and like a result pattern also we will see, or like we will implement the loggings and a validation pipeline as well. Okay, so by the end of this video you will be have a like production ready architecture with that senior .NET developer use in the real projects. Okay, so if you want to write cleaner and scalable ASP.NET Core API, so this video is going to change the way you structure your backend projects. Okay, so clean architecture. Okay, or now let's go to the Visual Studio again. Okay, or we will select a new web API template. Okay, so that we can create a vertical slice architecture based projects as well. Okay, for now like we don't need any services, we don't need any controllers as well. Okay, so let's see that how we will use the minimal APIs in the like vertical slice architecture as well. Okay, so let's close this clean architecture setup here. Okay, or now I will create a new project. Okay, or that's a very interesting. Oh, guys, I just want to request you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, as well, and hit the like button so that we can and the important warning is that please stick in this video till the end so that you will and don't skip any part of this video as well, otherwise you will get error as well. Okay, so I will name it as like vertical slice architecture. Okay, like this. Superb. uh, Go to next, and I will create the vertical slice architecture in the .NET 10. Okay, or I will choose the create new project. Okay, thereafter what we will have to install multiple packages as well. Like we will have to install the multiple dependencies of our products as well. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, or this is the what setup that we have created here. Okay, now let's delete the controller folder. Like I don't need the this folder anymore. Okay, or delete this with the class as well. Okay, now let's go to the dependencies, manage new new get packages. Okay, or browse in the browse section, not browse. Okay, let's install the packages. Just press the control plus backtick, thereafter you will see this thing here. Okay, here now let's install each packages one by one so that we can we don't need any issues as well. Okay, So let's go to the projects directory as well. Now I will add the .NET add package. Okay, now the first package that I wanted to install like a MediatR. Okay, or MediatR. I think it's correct spelling if I'm not wrong. Okay, or that's superb. Okay, now now the process is started right now. Okay, now the next package that I want to install as a fluent validation. Okay, so fluent validation, that's super good. Okay, or it will take like all the packages will take around 1 to 2 minutes as well. Okay, now it's time to install the Microsoft.entity framework core.sql server. Okay, so so go there. Okay, Microsoft entity framework core dot SQL server. That's super. Or hit the enter. Thereafter we will have this package in our system as well. Thereafter we will install the tools as well. Okay, so the tools, and so thereafter we will install the design package of the entity framework core as well. Okay, so design. So I have installed all the required packages that we need to set up the architecture, vertical architecture as well. Okay, so this is the package or all the desired packages that we have installed right now. Okay, or now it's time to set up all the things from the basics so that we will see all the things here. Okay, so first let's create the dust one by one, so that you can assume that how the things looks like. Okay, so the there are we will create the multiple folders here. Okay, so first folder that we will create as features folder. Okay, in the feature folders we will define the endpoints, your models, validations, or some repository kind of things as well. Okay, so let's see that how the things we will do here. Okay, now the next project that we will now the next folder that we will add here, which is the infrastructure. Okay, or infrastructure, that's good. Or the next folder that I am gonna to add, which should be domain folder. In the domain folder we will put the DTOs and entities as well. Or the final folder that we will add as a shared folder. Okay, so I hope all the things that we require as well. Okay, so now let's add the data folder inside the infrastructure folder so that we can add the FDB context as well before the things we will do here. Okay, so first add the entity folder in the domain folder as well. Okay, so entities, that's pretty good. I will define the entities products entities. Okay, so that we will work with the products things as well. Okay, so products, that's thing, that's a very good thing. Okay, or in the products with using this thing. Okay, we will create the CRUD operations with the a product table as well. Okay, so we will have multiple things as well. Okay, so first thing public GUID or ID, that's a product name or product price as well. Okay, so public decimal or price. Okay, pretty enough to understand the things as well, like how the things are working as well. Okay, now the next part that we will see here. Okay, we will add the data folder inside the infrastructure folder. Okay, in the data folder I will create the FDB context. Or guys, I just want your opinion on the things as well. Okay, or FDB context. Super. So we have added the FDB context. Till here you are feeling like okay, all the process is same, so where the things become change. Okay, so guys, the things will become change at this at that moment when we will create product features. Okay, or we will see the MediatR pattern with the CQRS as well. Okay, so still there are a lot of things that we will see here. Okay, so please wait and watch the video till the end so that you won't face any issues after the end of this course as well. Okay, so I will add the AFDB, FDB context here. In the FDB context I will initialize, I will inject the DB context options here. Okay, so DB context options, uh, basically we will go with the FDB uh, FDB context. Okay, line super, or thereafter we have to pass these options here. Okay, so now we have set up all the things here. Okay, now it's time to add the products here. Okay, so like the product that we are going to define as products in the DB context. So all the necessary thing that we have covered here. Okay, now it's time to we have to add the connection string as well. Okay, so the connection that I want to add here. Okay, or let me open my SQL server so that we can write the connection string as well. Okay, like we can define the connection string as well. Okay, so so let's see that how, Copilot is also suggesting some things as well. So let's see. So default connection, that's very good. Server, localhost, database, vertical slash architecture, or trusted connection true, or multiple active result sets also be true. Okay, please don't any mistakes in the application.json. Whenever you will see the whenever you will run the application in or any as protocol application, or at that moment you whenever you will see the error can't construct the app setting.json kind of error, so it means that you have missed something in the app setting.json. Okay, you forgot to some commas as well. Okay, you forgot to close the your JSON as well. Okay, so there are 2 3 things that you should know as well. Okay, please see this should be green tick as well. If there is any warning is showing in the app setting to JSON, so definitely you will see the error kind of things, like whenever you will run your application, which should be can't construct the application, can't construct the app setting to JSON file as well. Okay, so please keep this thing in your mind. Okay, now the next thing that we will add is encrypt equals to false. Okay, because I don't want any authentication in database as well. Okay, so let's go there, copy this thing. Okay, or copy here, I will copy the server name or paste it here, replace it with this local host. Okay, so we have added the connection strings. Now it's time to register your FDB context with your connect your this thing with your database as well. Okay, so go to the program.cs before, or now it's time to add builder.services.add db context. Okay, or we will add the app db context. Okay, uh, guys, sometimes it sounds you are at many times developer always gets confused what should be written in the FDB context. Okay, I know sometimes it feels sir, it is necessary to remember these things as well. It is necessary to remember how to how the things are working here. Okay, whenever you do lot of practices, whenever you do work with the lot of projects as well, so all the things will become easy for you, or definitely it will save this thing in your memory as well. Okay, so and nowadays GitHub Copilot is also integrated with your code editor, so it is it will give you the suggestion of your entire project as well. Okay, so this is the thing that you should know about the things as well. Okay, so we have set up the things here. Okay, all the basic things, they all the basic required things that we have set up here. Okay, now it's time to migrate your database as well. Okay, all the features in the migration as well. Okay, so add db context, no, add migration, or we will see the migration name as db initialize, or we will hit the enter. So all the things that you have created as like product entities, product table. So you will see that table in your SQL server. Okay, this is the automated process, or there will be the migration files also be created. Okay, there or still there is another command is left here. Okay, we will add the command as well. Okay, which is the update database, or hit the enter. So it will reflect all the changes, all the required changes in your SQL server, or the status is done. Okay, or whenever we go there, first you have to connect your SQL server, or open your database, or you will see the vertical slice architecture database is looking like. Okay, or that in the table section you will see the products and the EF migration history as well. Like whenever you create any migration, so the purpose of this table is to manage the EF migrations as well. So all the basic things that we required we have set up here. Okay, now it's time to add some behaviors as well, like logging behaviors, or some fluent validation behavior as well. Okay, like model validation behavior as well. Okay, so what you need to here. Okay, so first go to the shared folder. In the shared folder, I will add a new folder which I would name it as a behavior. Okay, so that behaviors, that's good. Or I will add a new class, because we have to all the behaviors, all the fluent validations, login behaviors, we should have to complete before the features as well. Okay, that's a good practice, like we don't need to go back again. So this is why we will add here. Okay, so the first behavior that I want to add, like validate behavior. Okay, just click on the add button, or thereafter what I will do here. Okay, I will add like t request, just t request, or t res, response. Okay, or I will add the pipeline behavior as well. Okay, so in the pipeline behavior I will call it for from the pipe I pipeline behavior, or just do the things here. Okay, or now it's time to add the implementation interface of this thing as well. So you will see all the functions, or like all the things is automatically added here. You don't need to add anything here. Okay, so first you have to call your initial your context here. Okay, before the things we start here. Okay, so first this is the there is the important thing that you should know, and there you should add here. Okay, so which what is the thing that you will do add here. Okay, so the thing is so we have added, so we will add like private read only I enumerable I validator request response, like t request as well. So we have added the validators as well. Okay, let's go there or show the potential, and we will we will add the fluent validation package as well. Okay, now it's time to create the constructor as well. So public validated behaviors, so we have we have initialized and we have inject the I validator as well. Okay, now it's time to go there. Okay, or it's time to define the lot of things as well. So first we will add if any validators is available in the model. Okay, so this is the model that we have added here. Okay, or we will initialize the context of the things as well. Okay, so then we will add the validation context with the upcoming request as well. Okay, or let's close these things as well. Okay, so validator so whenever, so first we will check the failures as well. Okay, so whenever the validate your validator see any failures as well, like your validation fails at any moment. Okay, so validators dot select or thereafter we will we will add v dot validate dot or in or we will add we will add our context as well, or select many, or r uh, errors as well. Okay, or where f we will we will give the final results as well, not equals to null. So basically we will make the things as well. Okay, we will get the failures result as well. Okay, we will try to get the things as well. If the like failures dot any, if anything found in the failures, so thereafter we will throw exception. Okay, throw new validation exception. Okay, validation exception. In the validation exception we will send the failures as well. That's pretty good. Otherwise if all the things works properly, so we will go to the next middleware as well. Okay, so this is the thing that we have added here. Okay, but now we have to register this in the program.cs. Okay, because whenever you create any pipelines in your application, okay, so it is mandatory to register this pipeline in your application as well, to make the things workable as well. Okay, so go to these things here. Okay, or now it's time to add the pipelines here. Okay, so services dot add transient as well. Okay, or in the transient so first we will add the pipeline behaviors as well. Okay, so the type of like uh, type of or in the type of I will add the I pipeline behavior, or I will add the comma as well, comma separation as well. Okay, or which type of the validation behavior as well. Okay, so validation behavior. Okay, or with the comma separation as well. Okay, so we have added the pipeline behaviors for the validation as well. Now it's time to add the behavior for the logging behavior as well, because it is a very important thing. Okay, so we will add and we will create a new pipeline behavior for the loggings as well. That's important step as well. Okay, as we had discussed earlier in this video, we will add the some pipeline behaviors regarding the loggings and the model validations. Okay, so and we will validate our models using the fluent validation as well. Okay, so it's time to add the logging behaviors. That's good. Okay, so we have added the things here, or I will initialize first I will add the t request or t response. That's pretty good. Okay, I will add the ipipeline behavior as well. Okay, just go there, or let's add the things here. Okay, so we have added the behavior as well. Okay, or let's add the implementation of this interface so that we won't face any issues as well. Okay, so it's time to add the logger as well. Okay, I logger. In this logger I will add the logging behaviors. That's pretty good. Or I will create the constructor as well. In the constructor I will just inject all the required things as well that we should add here. Okay, so logger, I think I'm stuck here. That's good. It's time to initialize your logger with this thing as well. Okay, now it's time to add the logger logger dot log information, or we will add handling. Okay, or the request name is also added. Okay, request name, or which type of the request name is t request name, or if or we will go with, or we will add we will go to the next as well. Okay, or all the things that we have added here, okay, like all the thing, like it will go to the next middleware, or it will go to the like after the things we have done, or we will get the response like this as well. Okay, now it's again it should like register here. Okay, so builder dot services dot add transient. Okay, or login behaviors is also be added here. Okay, now it's time to like register your mediator as well, because if you would not register your mediator, so like we will see the like mediator dependency error as well, like we have not registered or like can't construct the mediator in your application as well. Okay, so for the things what you need to here, okay, we will have to add like mediator as well. So add services dot add mediator. Okay, or we will add like configuration for the mediator as well, for the configuration that we want, that we will add here. Okay, like register services from assembly, or the assembly from the like which is from which assembly, program assembly. Okay, like we have like we are going to register the mediator in the program assembly. So that's like a very good thing that we have like set up all the things as well. Okay, or I hope you get to know ideas about like how the things like looking like. Okay, so before the things we will start here. Okay, so all the required things we have added here. Okay, like behaviors, or like our like data app settings, migration files as well. Okay, now it's, or thereafter we can we like do the things like like result pattern as well. Can we make the result pattern as well, because it is a very mandatory step as well, so that we won't face any errors where like whenever we like go create the things as well. Okay, or like, so first go to the new folder. In the new folder we will add the things like results pattern. Okay, so in the results pattern, results okay, like let me rename this thing as well, results. That's pretty good. Okay, like guys, these are some mandatory things that you should always do before creating the APIs. Okay, or like it is a like important step that you should know as well whenever you create any applications in any architecture as well. Okay, so go to the classes. In the class I will name this class like error class. That's good. Okay, uh, I don't need these things anymore. Okay, I will define the records as well, because records is like I love to work with the records as well. Okay, so the messages, or like we will add like we will add the like status codes as well. Okay, so codes, that's okay. Okay, or now it's, and now it's time to create the result pattern as well. Okay, with the error as well. Okay, so we will add the result. That's okay, that's pretty good. Or the results with the generic type, like we will create the generic results as well. Okay, so public bool is success. Okay, so let's see that what like what's the thing that is suggested here. Success value is also defined here, error is also be there. Okay, or it's time to like is there anything else that we can do as well? Okay, okay, so first what I will do here. Okay, I will create the constructor as well. Okay, so result constructor. In this result constructor I will make like value as well. Okay, so is success is true, or value is also be there. Okay, or we have created the like success or all the things as well. Okay, now it's time to create the things for the like whenever the error is occurred, so success should also be false, or error is also assigning there. Okay, so I think we have like we have set up all the things that is required as well. Okay, or even I don't think I need this thing. Okay, it's like yeah, okay, like we have Okay, so like we have set up all the things here. Okay, so this is why we don't need to go with these things as well. Okay, so that's pretty good, that's pretty awesome. Okay, now it's time to like create the features as well. We have set up all the required things like behaviors, result patterns, infrastructures, migrations, or we have added the entities as well. In the infrastructure we have added the FDB context, like all the basic things that we require in any projects. Okay, we have set up here. Okay, or we have registered our aid like MediatR as well. FDB contents also be there, or I pipeline behaviors with the validator behaviors, or like login behaviors as well. Okay, the purpose of these things that we have completed all the required things, or I hope we are like we will not face any issues as well. Okay, so whenever the issues comes, so we will like solve the all the issues one by one as well. Okay, so it's time to go to the features as well. Okay, or we will first features that we will create. The first feature that we are going to create is like products features. Okay, so product feature. Okay, so in the products features we will add like another folder which I would love as like create product feature. Okay, it means that whenever you so purpose of this feature as well, like it is a kind of controller. Okay, but it is the replacement of the controller as well. In the controller we all like in the product controller we all the things we like create product, get product by id, update product, delete product, all the operations related to product we always mention in the product controllers. Okay, but same here in the features thing. Okay, the product is like controller, or the create product is a kind of like action name. That's it. Okay, nothing is complicated. Okay, or all the things that we require like your DTO, your repositories, your endpoints also included in the products create products folder as well. Okay, so let's see that what are the things that we will do as well. Okay, so go to the add product section. Okay, in the add. Okay, so we will add the command as well. Okay, or in the CQRS pattern we always separate your queries and command uh, as well. Okay, so or with using the mediator. Now it's time to go there. First I will create the command. Okay, create product command. Okay, or in the command, okay, I will define all the required so public. Okay, record or create product. Okay, okay, so why I am mentioning this thing in the here. Okay, public record create product command, or I request, or the result pattern. Look, just wait for, or add the results as well. Okay, or I will add the mediator as well. That's okay. So, or if all things working. Okay, so in this is these are the parameters that I will send from the API, which is the product name and the product price, or this is the like a model that we are defining here, which is the create product command. Or in the same, whenever your command is successfully executed, so I will get the I request I will get the result pattern, or the type of the result pattern like integer. Okay, but at this moment I will try to get the product ID. Okay, so the product ID that we have defined as a GUID, that's that's pretty good. It's time to we will create the create product validator. Okay, so we have added the validator here. Okay, or the abstract abstract validator. Okay, in the validator I will define the create product command, or we will create the constructor as well. Okay, or in the constructor we will write the rules for these things as well. Okay, or the rule is automatically like a suggestion by the GitHub Copilot. Okay, so the first rule that we are going to define like a rule for like name, or it should not empty, or if it is empty, so we will define the like message like product name is required, or the name length should be like 100 characters. Okay, uh, I don't need this thing as well. Okay, so let's keep this thing as well. Okay, or now the next rule that we are going to define for the price, or price should be greater than 0, otherwise we will give the error like price must be greater than 0 as well. Okay, so we have added the file address as well. Okay, so I hope you like all the things are connected here. Okay, your fluent validation is directly connected to here in the, or this is the power of the vertical architecture, vertical slice architecture. Okay, or all the things related to the products you will found as well. Okay, now we will add the handlers as well. Okay, or in this thing we will create the endpoints as well. Okay, so first what you need to here. Okay, so create product handler. Okay, or guys, this is a important study you should know as well, and you should aware about it as well. Or even whenever you create any type of feature, or like login, registration, delete, update, any kind of. Okay, so you have to create the multiple folders, or like where you have to manage all the things folder wise as well. Okay, I know like whenever you work with the like vertical slice architecture, you will see lot of files, lot of work folders as well. Okay, but the senior developers like .NET architectures, okay, they always choose the things in the vertical architectures as well. Okay, or trust me, like whenever you start working on the vertical architecture, so you will definitely love this thing as well. Okay, so what I will do here. Okay, so first I will initialize like I request handler. Okay, or the and the create product commanding I'm expecting, or in the same I will send the result GUID. That's awesome. Okay, show potential fixtures, I will add the results as well. Okay, now it's time to show the or like implement this handler as well. Okay, or here is the main step that we will initialize as well. Okay, so first in the handler like I will add the app.db context, or we have initialized the context here. Okay, like context things as well, or all the or like okay, that's really awesome. Or like that's a very important things that you have seen here. Okay, so in this way, like you can use these things as well. Okay, or task from results. Okay, let's remove this thing as well. I don't need these basic things as well. Okay, so like task I will make it as asynchronous operations as well. Okay, so async or await or async, like I want to make every operations asynchronous. So we have like created the handler. Okay, or first we have all the things like price should be greater than 0 is also defined there. Okay, or whenever the validation is failed, so it will not receive the all the thing like your request is not reach here. Okay, reach to the handle layer. Okay, so this is the thing that you should know, and I hope you love this thing as well. Okay, or I know for the first time it looks very complicated, or like it looks very like hectic as well. Okay, because whenever we learn any architecture, okay, or like whenever we create any clean architecture or vertical slide architecture, we always see errors and confusions as well. Okay, or whenever, or now the next time we will see the onion architecture as well. Okay, because all these three architectures you should know and you should aware about as well. Okay, so we have set up all the things here. Okay, now it's time to like create the endpoints as well. Okay, so create product endpoint. Okay, or we will define the endpoint of your handler as well. Okay, like we like definitely guys we need the endpoint to call this API as well. Okay, so what the things that we will do here, first I will make this static class. Okay, or in this static class I will define the I endpoint, or let's make it as a void. Let's keep it as a void. Okay, or we have to use the mediator. Okay, or okay, so like API products or create product. So product, that's awesome. That's like pretty thing that we can do here. Okay, so results like endpoints dot map with name, create product, and with tags as well. I don't need these things anymore. Okay, so copy these things here. Okay, or that's awesome. Or results dot created for the results dot value, or results dot error as well. Okay, or with the bad request as well. Like if it's success, so we will. Okay, I don't need these things anymore. Okay, like I don't want these created, or with this status result. Okay, that's pretty okay. Okay, so result is also this send, or we have initialized the I mediator, or create command is also be there. Okay, or create products APIs, or in such a way like we can call our APIs, or all the required things is also created here. Okay, oh, so we have defined our endpoint, but where we can we have defined the endpoints, but we have to register your endpoints in the middleware as well. Okay, or that's a very important step that you should know as well. Okay, so so if you want to register your endpoints, so we have to go with the clean approach. Okay, so the cleanest approach that I I love the most, which is that we have to create the endpoint extension in the shared folder. Okay, so endpoint extensions, hit the enter, or now let's create a static class, or public static void, or map features. Okay, like I will define the things as well. Okay, endpoints dot create okay, map create product. That's awesome. So we have map our features in we have map our product, create product endpoint. Oh, it's time to register this thing in the program.cs. Okay, or make sure that you have to register this thing just after the app.map.feature, like whenever the application is built. That's it. Okay, so I hope you have understand the things behind the vertical slice architecture, or we have, or you have seen that how we can create and define the things as well. Like we have created the commands, thereafter we have created the validators, thereafter we have created the handlers, or thereafter we have created the endpoints as well, or finally we have to register our endpoints in the endpoint extensions as well. Okay, so just run this application. Okay, or this is the basic like this is the like senior level uh, vertical slice architecture pattern that you have seen here. Okay, or we will call the this API, or we will see the things like all the things are working properly or not. Okay, so go there, or we have to notice all the things one by one as well. Okay, so we have let's go to the HTTP file. Okay, or otherwise we have to wait to open the postman as well. Okay, or okay, it's like it is taking time, no issues. So we have to copy this endpoint where the endpoint is. This is the endpoint that we have to define. Copy this thing, or go to the HTTP file, paste it here. Okay, or remove this extra slash as well. Or the type of this API is post API. Okay, or content type that I want to like application dot json. Okay, or the body that I want to send like name. Okay, or the name is like earbuds. Okay, the earbuds I have defined, or we will add the prices as well. So prices like $10.20. Okay, so this is the things that we have added here, and go to the uh, command. So this is the name prices, or whenever you go to the handler. Okay, so this is your handler. In the handler, like this is your request body name prices also be mapped there, or all the or like all the things we have covered here. Okay, now it's time to hit this API or send the request as well, so that we can see the visually as well, like are we able to work with the like vertical slice architecture as well, or like API is working or not as well. Okay, hope so the API should work. Okay, so we got the product ID as well. Okay, or whenever you run this like whenever you check the products as well, like the product is working or not. Okay, uh, before the things we will initialize here. Okay, let's let's send the 0. Okay, so okay, so vertical slice architecture is also the 1020. Okay, okay, or -1. If I send the -1. Okay, so still it is select star from products. Okay, or which this is your vertical slice architecture. Okay, or verticals products. That's awesome. So we have like like got the products, earbuds, product name, prices as well. Okay, or all the things are working properly. Now it's time to like now I will give you the homework. Okay, or you have understand that how, like how the things are working in the like architecture, particular slice architecture. Okay, or now let's create another feature which should be like get products. Okay, or I will give you the homework. Okay, or like you have to like get product by ID. Okay, or delete product, or update product. That's good. Okay, so all these features you have to create on your own. Okay, or just use the same thing that I have created here. Okay, or you have to know that how to work with these things as well. Okay, or this is the things related to product. suppose there is a thing like now you are working with the customers, so you have to create the customers as well, okay, or like you have to create the multiple features in this customers regarding the customers as well, okay. So whenever you create with work with the new features, or like features and the co-features, okay, so these are the co-features, this is the feature, okay. If the feature is created, new feature is created, so you have to create the new features, or therefore and make sure that your co-feature should be related to your feature as well, okay. So this is the vertical slice architecture, or like where you can use this thing as well, okay. Like whenever you are getting the mid-level application, okay, mid-size application, or like whenever you are working with the microservices, you are creating microservices. So guys, definitely you should choose this vertical slice architecture as well, okay. Like at this moment, you should not choose the clean architecture, onion architecture as well, okay, because at the moment it is not required, okay. Or we know that in the microservice we always need few services as well, okay. For the few services you will set up the big, like vast clean architecture as well, it's not a good thing, okay. Just use this thing, or you love, I hope you love this video, and you love this content as well, okay. Oh, guys, I just want to request you that please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, your network as well, and hit the like button. Okay, or we have already created, like we have already dropped the video on our YouTube channel regarding the clean architecture. If you want to learn clean architecture, just check out the video in the description box of this video as well, okay. Oh guys, I just want to request one thing as well, okay. At this moment, in our YouTube family we have crossed around 1180 members in our YouTube family, okay. Thank you so much for your support, okay. Now but we have to grow more and more in this year as well, okay. So this is the 1.18k subscribers in our YouTube family. Thank you so much for this support as well, okay. But I want your more support as well, okay. Or just subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have dropped so many videos for you as well. Like if you want to learn with the playlist, like .NET strategies, interview questions, mang spotlights, okay. Modern application, if you want to learn Azure plus .NET mastery, you can go there. If you want to learn GraphQL, that, so all the things that you want to learn, just go there and check out the video on our YouTube channel as well, okay. So thank you for watching this video till here, or till then, take care guys, bye bye, have a good day.